Okay, the only thing we have to do now is we have to cut this excess material. So one thing we can do is try to rotate it in such a way that we can see the view in a better way. Okay, so this view seems to be pretty good. So let's go ahead and try create, let's see if we can create a plane up here. So let's do from this point to that point, enter, and from that point to that point, enter. So when we move our system, coordinate system, we can basically draw something there. Okay, so on the XY, what if we do this? What if we need to create a part of a body that will help us eliminate this section. Okay, that view should let us see something better. Let's go ahead and use this rectangular shape and extend it like so. Okay, and then I'm not sure if I can cut it with an extrusion, but let's see. So what would happen if I go to solid, subtract, and then we're gonna have to subtract this object, enter, and then use this object. Okay, that does the trick. So that basically will have, let me see a flush view. So that will basically cut the element. Okay, so what we did was Control Z, let me show you. So as you remember, we had an extrusion of this rectangular shape on top of this plane. We moved the coordinate system up to this point, and when we do a press pull, we choose the rectangular shape, go up enough to cover the excess material. Okay, that's not enough because you see that some material here is not covered. So let's do another press pull, and let's do 5. Okay, so under solid, you're going to do subtract, and the object to keep is this helix, is the yellow layer, enter, and then this object is going to be the cutting object, enter, and that's how we get our flushed body. So if you noticed, now we have that part completely flushed like so, and that is how you model 3D body.